Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel Psychic Soul Tarot. My name is Jyoti. This is going to be your love reading for the month of Feb. Now this is your Valentine month. Let's see what do we have in store for you. We will see your person's energy, your energy, mutual energies, outcome, next action, etc, etc. So let's see guys, what is your person's energy, Gemini? Guys, please keep in mind that this is going to be a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. And so let's see what do we have in store for my Geminis. Okay, all right. King of Cups with Hermit. Guys, I don't know why I feel that this person that you are dealing with, Gemini, they are trying to give up on this relationship with you. I don't see them happy and I don't see them working on this relationship anymore. Okay, I don't see them working on this relationship. This person that you are dealing with, Gemini, though they care for you, this person does care for you, but I don't see them working on this relationship anymore. The way they were, I don't see them doing the same anymore. I don't know, this person is, I do see them in this energy where this person is confused in life. They don't know what to do, where are they heading. This person is somebody who doesn't know what should they do. I certainly and 100% I see a third party involvement here. So some of you are dating a partner who is already involved with a third person. I certainly see a third person in this. You guys, this person that you are dealing with, they are certainly having somebody else in their life, okay? And that is why I see this conflict. They are confused between both of you, whether to be with you or the other person. Look at this. This person is certainly hiding something from you. We have the Six of Swords, and I don't see them. I don't know why I feel that this person is somebody, guys, that they have feelings for you. They care for you a lot. Okay, I do see them caring for you a lot, but I don't see them thinking of a long-term future with you. I don't see them thinking of a long-term future with you. We have the Fool in reversed. We have a Six of Swords in reverse. Look at this, Seven of Pentacles. I feel that this person feels that there's not much left in this relationship. In some cases, I feel that this person is somebody who may have, I feel that this person is somebody who got into this relationship with you. They felt that this relationship would go forward, or they felt that this relationship stands a chance, but then they realized that they don't love you anymore. I don't see that love in their heart for you. I certainly see that there is love that's lacking in this relationship from their end. Okay, I'm going to see your energies too, but as of now what I feel is, and this person is someone, I certainly see that this person has feeling for a third partner. I do feel that this person is in a third party relationship. Now guys, keep in mind that this is a general reading, so if you feel this is not your reading, you can always exit, because I do see that this person is involved. I don't know for who is this message, but I certainly see that this person is involved with a third partner, and they are more serious towards the third partner, and this person is certainly hiding it. Okay, they don't want to reveal it to you maybe. All right, but they are still in a mess. I don't see this person very happy with the third partner. Of course, this person is struggling there too, but yes, this person is, they want to be with the third partner. Okay, this person wants to be with the third partner, but then they are not too happy there. Let's see what are your energies right now. Four of Wands, Seven of Cups, both in reverse. For some of you, I feel that things have turned upside down. Okay, you really, I feel that you feel that you've got very little from this person. You had a lot of dreams. Maybe Geminis, you dreamt of marriage, you dreamt many things with this person, but I feel that you didn't get what you expected from this relationship with this person. Okay, I do see that you're not happy. I don't see you very happy with this person. Look at this, I have the Four of Wands in reverse, Ten of Cups in reverse. Some of you, I think you've already, this relationship has come to an end, or you are on a verge of breakup. Okay, I do see that energy. Nine of Cups, everything has gone upside down between both of you. Things are no more the same. Hangman in reverse, Nine of Cups in reverse. I don't know, Gemini, I feel that some of you, you feel that this person doesn't invest enough. Geminis, I feel this person is exactly the one that you wanted. This person is exactly the one that you ever desired of. You thought of marriage. I do see a lot of dreams. You both may have had a lot of dreams together. You have spent good times with each other. Maybe you are married, but things are not as good as it was between both of you in the past. So things are getting bitter day by day. I do see conflict between you two. I do see that you are in a place where you don't know what to do. You are stuck, Geminis. Okay, you are stuck. You don't want to take any action towards this person right now. But however, I see that this person is moving on. Okay, for most of you, I feel that your person may be trying to move on. They are trying to move on, and you have realized this. You are still stuck. You don't know what to do. But I see that there's somebody who is helping you a lot. Okay, even in this bad phase, Geminis. For some of you, I feel that you and your person, you both are going through financial stress. Okay, you both are going through financial stress. Plus, I certainly see some of you, I feel that it's like you may have rejected this person and you are getting married to somebody else. Now I have mixed energies. I see mixed energies. In some cases, I feel that your person, it's like things went down the drain between both of you. Okay, or it has gone so sour between both of you that your person is involved with somebody else and you are also marrying somebody else. In some cases, I see you marrying somebody else. Okay, maybe you've left this person, you marrying somebody else. Your person, some of you, I feel that your partner may have got a marriage proposal and they are considering that, or a relationship proposal, because I told you that this person is involved with a third partner. Okay, now this could be a marriage proposal that they are considering, or this could be that they have third person and they are getting attracted to that person. All right, and in some cases, I feel that you have decided to move on in life. You are leaving this person because either you are considering a marriage proposal or you're getting married to somebody else. Okay, so things I do see, for some of you, you guys are in this place where things are no more the same and things are bitter between both of you. Let me see. Temperance, see, you both have given up in this. I told you both have, see, we have the Eight of Cups in reverse. There's nothing left in this relationship anymore. You feel that there's nothing left. You are giving up, your person is giving up, and both of you, I think you both are moving on in life, but things are still there. I mean, for some of you, yes, you may have broken up or you're moving on. For some of you, it's like, you both know that things are not going to work, but you still are there. It's like, a last string is still there. I feel that you are in a relationship which is already almost getting over. Okay, that kind of energy. So let's see. Look at this. There's nothing left in this relationship. Nothing. So let's see if I get any message from this deck. Any message for my querent? Okay, I think I've got this card. Financial constraints. I told you, some of you are going through this issue because of financial pressure. Maybe you or your person, you both are going through this issue. I do see financial problem between both of you. Now this could be you who is going through this financial problem, or this person, but this was the main reason. I think for some of you, financial problem was, apart from a third party, financial problem was also a reason why your relationship is coming to an end. Okay, look at this, walking away. I've got this twice. I have got this twice. Okay, now you or your person, because I'm getting mixed answers, so for most of you it's your person who is walking away, and for the others of you it's you who is walking away. But I don't see anything left in this relationship, but a solid commitment is coming to an end. For some of you this could be a marriage. For some of you this is like a strong relationship, a long-term relationship that is coming towards an end. See, you guys are holding on to your strength. We have the angel of strength. You're trying to be strong. You're trying to be patient. It's like, you want to move on, but you are attached to this person. Okay, you are attached to this person so much so that you want to move on, but you're still holding on. I told you that there's this last string of hope that is there. Now, because I'm getting mixed answers here, in some cases it is your person who is having hope in this relationship, and in some cases this could be you who is holding on to this. Okay, you have to be strong, guys. Okay, some of you really feel that you're so attached to this person that it is difficult for you to move on, but somehow I feel that you have regained your strength. I do see you in a place where you have come to terms with the fact that this relationship does not have any scope, and it's better to walk away rather than being stuck in a dead relationship which has no future. Okay, so that is there. You miss the memories. I feel you miss the times that you have spent with this person. You miss, maybe you used to go out for dinners, lunches, or used to go to their house, or I don't know, you've spent some good times, and you're missing them, Geminis, you're missing them. Okay, some of you, I think you guys are dealing with a fire sign. This could be Aries, Leo, Sag. This could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, the relationship may have gone sour with a Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sag, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, yeah. Let's see what will be the next action, your person's next action, in case if you're still in this relationship. Oh my god, look at the cards, guys. Okay, as far as the next action is concerned, even if they say something, it is going to be sad. It is not going to be a good news. It's going to be a sad news. Okay, I do see things coming to an end between both of you. I don't see this relationship heading anywhere. Of course, you are in this bad phase right now. I don't know, I do see negative cards here. Okay, this person, I don't see any emotions, and this person is going to tell you. Okay, they are going to convey the same to you, Gemini. This person will convey their feelings to you, and I don't see them making any action apart from coming to you and saying that things, they don't love you, or this may be you who may go back to them and tell them. So I don't see them making any move towards you. I'm sorry, guys, this is a bad reading. This person, yeah, I feel that things are heading towards an end. However, I feel that this person is not a bad person. Okay, I don't see a negative vibe from this person. This person is a good soul. I don't see that you're dealing with a bad person, but I see that the love is missing. Okay, I don't see emotions in their heart for you, Geminis. Okay, so yes, this person is going to convey the same. As far as the next action is concerned, this person will convey the same to you, and I think you guys are also prepared for this. I don't see, it's like some of you, I think you are also moving on, and I do see that energy where you both know, look, I speak about moving on, this is what I get. Okay, you know that this is not your world, so you are going to leave this person and move on. Okay, now this is for some of you, this could be your person who may move on. For some of you, this is you who's going to move on. All right, look, I told you a third partner is involved, a third person is involved. Now see, we reap what we sow. Okay, I don't know who has done bad to whom. Now this could be in some, as I said, in some cases I feel that you are leaving this person and getting married to somebody else. In some cases they are the one who may leave you and get married to somebody else, but I do see marriage proposal and somebody leaving the other person and getting married to somebody else. Now whoever is at fault, I don't know, just know that this is a karma card. Okay, this card is trying to say that we reap what we sow. Okay, if you feel that this person has hurt you, if you feel that this person has wronged you in some way, or the intentions were not nice, know that this person is going to pay back. Okay, karma is there. Okay, nobody can escape their karma. We reap what we sow. So the message is, do good so that good comes back to us. Okay, do good and good will come back to you. Okay, so some of you, I don't know why I get this energy where you have this hatred towards this person, or you have this pain in your heart and you feel like doing wrong to this partner, or you feel like doing something, or you have this intention of, now this is not for all of you, but some of you, I feel that, you know, you feel that this person should pay back, or this person should get what they deserve. So don't be in that energy and don't have this negative thought in your heart. Okay, now this could be you or the other person who is thinking this way, but don't have this. Okay, don't have, because I don't know, but why I feel this person is not bad. Whoever you are dealing with, see, they care for you guys. This person cares for you. If you see, he's dropping this with a heavy heart. This person is not happy. Okay, they are not happy going away from you. It's just that what should this person do if they don't have love in their heart for you? So you should not, I mean, don't keep any negative feelings towards this person, guys. Okay, that's the message that I get here. So don't have any negative thoughts towards this person, don't have any negative feelings towards this person. Know that whatever is happening for your own good. Even if you are, for example, even if you proceed further with this person, or this person comes back to you, you're not going to be happy anyways. See, whatever is happening as per the divine will. Okay, so if things are not working between you both, know that this person is not meant for you. It's as simple as that. So just move on, be happy, life is going to be beautiful for you. Let's see any message, if I have any message. Be strong. Any message for you? Okay, see these cards. Storm warming. I told you, some of you are, oh God, look at this. Broken heart, storm warming. I told you, some of you are heading towards an end in relationship. Now this is a divorce, this is a breakup, whatever it is, but you are heading towards that. Okay, and I feel that you are prepared mentally. Some of you, I feel that you are already prepared. You know it, things are not going to work. Okay, let's see if I have any message for my Geminis here. Let's see if I have any message for my Geminis. Any message for my Geminis? Stay optimistic about your love life. Some of you, I think you are going to meet somebody new very soon. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Calling your soulmate. Didn't I just tell you that some of you, you're going to meet your soulmate very soon? Stay optimistic. Okay, stay optimistic and be positive. You guys are thinking negative. Okay, you have lost faith and hope in love. Now this is for some of you who do not have anybody, and this person is going to come in your life. Okay, your prayers, affirmations and visualizations will help you both come together. Some of you, I'm sure that you're going to meet somebody new, and universe is planning it accordingly. You are going to meet that person very soon. Stay optimistic is the message. Geminis, what's in store for my Geminis? Let's see, what do we have in store for my Geminis? Finances and career. Some of you, the message is focus on your finances, and financial issues are a factor in your love life. This has come 2-3 times. So some of you, definitely, I think finances, you both were going through financial problems, and maybe finances and career was a main reason because of which you both have broken up. Okay, this has come not twice, not thrice, many times in the reading. So finances and career are the main factor because of which this relationship is coming to an end, or you both are going through a difficult phase right now. Okay, some of you, you are going to meet a new person, a complete new person. This could be a Taurus, a Virgo, a Cancer. You may meet these people. This could be a Pisces too. Make the effort. Some of you, I think you may have already met somebody new in your life, but you are not making the effort towards that person because you're still hoping and wishing for this person, and you're stuck, you feel stuck, you don't know what to do. So that's the message. So some of you, there's somebody in your life. Now this is not for all of you, some of you, but you'll have to take the effort. Okay, you guys are in no mood to make the first step towards this person, and that I see here also. If you see, look at this. Okay, there is somebody who is supporting you in this bad phase, but it's you who do not want to make any move towards this person. Okay, that's the message here. Make the effort towards this person if you have already met them. Okay, so that is it, Geminis. I really hope you enjoyed my readings, and if you did, do like this video. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and hit the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get instant notification. So if this resonates, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so you guys take care, be safe. I'll meet you soon with your next reading. All right, so you guys take care. Bye.